Hello viewers, I'm Advocate Kier. Today we're gonna talk about the post-conviction. So, what is post-conviction? So, post-conviction defined in the untitled stage of legal system. The term post-conviction refers to the legal process which take place after a criminal trial result in a conviction of the defendant, or where a defendant accepts a plea of guilty or non-contest. After conviction, a court will proceed with sentencing the defendant in the criminal justice system. Once the defendant has received a guilty verdict, he or she can challenge a conviction or sentence. This takes place through different legal actions known as filing an appeal or a state and or federal habeas corpus proceedings. The goal of these proceedings is an exoneration or modification of an excessive and or illegal sentence. If lacking representation, the defendant may consult or hire an attorney to exercise his or her legal rights. The United States Supreme Court has held that the defendant convicted in a U.S. court, whether in be a state or federal, are entitled to appointment of counsel on the direct appeal only. Once the direct appeal is final, further representation may be obtained by the defendant on personal expenses. So, the appellant process. Now, talking about the appellant process. The appeal process is the request of a formal change of a decision made by a court of law. The litigant who files the appeal is known as the appellant. A successful appeal must demonstrate to a higher court that the trial court made a decision affected by legal error. So this is the process of the appellant process. I hope you are clear with the concept of the post conviction. If not, then do let me know in the comment section so that I can clear up all your doubts regarding this particular topic. I'll see you guys super soon in my next video with some other legal topic. Till then, take care of yourself.